Hey guys, welcome to the Catway. So in this video, we are going to solve a LRDI set. So before I begin, I would like to thank all the people who have joined us. Our Facebook group link is there in the description below. Now let's roll in for the video. So the question says that two football teams A and B from the same college play against each other frequently. During a particular year, the two teams played exactly 100 matches against each other. It is also known that the number of goals scored in any match was at most 4. The number of goals scored by in any match was at least 1, and the number of goals scored by B in any match was at least 1. So both the teams are definitely going to score 1 goal each. The following information is known about the number of goals scored by the two teams in each match. The number of matches that A won was 27 more than the number of matches in which B scored at least 2 goals. The number of matches that ended as a draw was same as the number of matches in which A scored exactly 1 goal. The number of matches in which the difference in the number of goals scored by two teams was at least 2 was twice the number of matches in which 3 goals were scored in total. The sum of the number of matches that A did not win and those it won by at most 1 goal was 15 more than the number of matches that it won. And the last statement says that the number of matches in which one team scored exactly 1 goal more than the other team was 20 less than the number of matches in which one team scored exactly 2 goals more than the other team. So first things first, what we need to identify is that what are the kinds of what could be the score line for the matches. So let us identify that. So there's a team A, there's a team B. Because at most 4 goals, that means the score goals can, and at least there are going to be 2 goals because both have to score 1 goal each, and at most it can go up till 4 goals. So what the score line which is possible is 1-1, okay, 1-2, 1-3, 2-1, 2-2, and 3-1. So these are the 6 score lines possible. Okay, so we do not know what how many matches were there of each kind. So what we can say is let's take a variable for each one of them. Let's name this one A, B, C, D, E, and F. Okay, now simply what we can do is we can go with the statements. We can write down the equations and try to solve the question. So the first equation says first statement says that the number of matches that A won was 27 more than the number of matches in which B scored at least 2 goals. So number of matches that A won is going to be equal to D plus F. Okay, so the first statement D plus F, and this is 27 more than the number of matches that in which B scored at least 2 goals. So B scored at least 2 goals. The number of matches are B, C, and E. Okay, so this is the first statement which we have got. After that, move towards the second statement. The second statement says that the number of matches that ended as a draw was same as the number of matches in which A scored exactly 1 goal. Okay, so it is saying that A plus E, now I'm directly writing, you can verify it from the table which I have made. So A plus E is equal to A plus B plus C, or what we can say is that E is equal to B plus C. Okay, coming to the third one. The third point says that the number of matches in which the difference in the number of goals scored by two teams was at least 2 was twice the number of matches in which 3 goals were scored in total. So the third statement says that C plus F is equal to 2B plus D, or you can write it like C plus F is equal to 2B plus 2D. Okay, coming to the fourth statement, let's read that out. So the fourth statement says that the sum of the number of matches that A did not win and those it won by at most 1 goal was 15 more than the number of matches that it won. So from fourth, what we can see is that A plus B plus C plus D plus E is equal to 15 plus D plus F. Okay, or what we can write it as that A plus B plus C plus E is equal to 15 plus F. Okay, coming to the fifth statement. The fifth statement says that the number of matches in which one team scored exactly 1 goal more than the other team was 20 less than the number of matches in which one team scored exactly 2 goals more than the other team. Okay, so when writing it in equation form, what we can write it as B plus D is equal to C plus F minus 20. So these are the first 5 statements which we have. Okay, now uh, okay, now when we talk about equation 3 and equation 5, okay, look at equation 3 and equation 5. We have been given that C plus F is equal to 2B plus 2D, whereas here also we have C plus F and here we have B and D. So what we can do is we can replace 2B plus 2D over here, and from that what will we get is that B plus D will come out to be 20. Okay, B plus D will come out to be 20. What you have to do is just replace C plus F with 2B plus 2D, and then 20 will come over this side, and b plus d will come over here, so it will be b 2b plus 2d minus b minus d, and it will be equal to 20. So from there we will get that b plus d is equal to 20. Okay, so we have b plus d is equal to 20. Once we have b plus d is equal to 20, we also have c plus f is equal to 40. Okay, c plus f will be equal to 40. That's also sure. Reason behind that, see, b plus d is 20. Add 20 into it, you will get the value of c plus f as 40. Okay, and because we know that the total number of matches, that is a plus b plus c plus d plus e plus f, was 100, out of that b plus d and c plus f we know are 20 and 40. So what we can say is that a plus e is going to be equal to 40. Okay, so I hope this much is clear. Let's move ahead. Okay, acha, what we know is that, see, because now b plus d and c plus f is equal to 60, so b plus d plus c plus f is going to be equal to 60. Okay, acha, now what we can do is, see, check out equation 1 and equation 2. See, in equation 1 and equation 2, what we know is that e is equal to b plus c. This thing is certain, that e is equal to b plus c. Here you can see b plus c, so I'm writing it over here. See what we are going to do. So we have 27 plus e, plus we have b plus c. So let's write that is equal to e, and that complete is equal to what? D plus f. Okay, now we do not know the value of d plus f, but what we know is b plus d plus c plus f. Okay, so what do we need to add over here? We need to add b plus c. So if we add b plus c over here, we can also add b plus c over here, and then what is going to happen is this side you can write it as complete as 60, and this side b plus c, again you can write this one as e. So what will we get is that 3e plus 27 is equal to 60, and from here when you solve it, you get that e is equal to the value of e will come out to be 11. Okay, so the value of e comes out to be 11. Okay, let's write all the variables over here: a, b, c, d, e and f. So the value of e has come out to be 11. If a plus e is 40 and e is equal to 11, the value of a is going to be 29. Okay, so now what do we have? We have the value of a to be 29. Okay, let's move ahead. Let's move ahead. Okay, acha, now see, if you talk about equation 4, okay, equation number 4, what you see is that we know the value of a to be 29, we know the value of e to be 11, and we know the value of b plus c is going to be equal to e, that is, it is going to be equal to 11. Okay, so that's 11. Acha, so that means this one becomes 29 and 40, 40 and 11, 51, and 51 minus 15 if you will do, so what you will get is 36, and that will be the value of f, that is equal to 36. Now if you have f is equal to 36, we will have c plus f is equal to 40, so c will be equal to 4. Now if c is equal to 4, we also know that b plus c was 11. Out of that, if c is 4, then the b will be 7. If b is 7 and b plus d is 20, what we can say is that d will be equal to 13. With this, our set is complete, guys. Now we can move towards the questions. How many matches ended as a draw? So the matches which are going to end as a draw is equal to a plus e. So let's calculate. A plus e is going to be equal to 40. So we have our answer 1 as 40. Move to question number 2. How many goals did A score in all the matches that it played against B during the year? How many goals did A score? Okay, so value of A is 29. So in 29 matches he has scored 1 goal each. Okay, so that's 29. Then coming to B, the value of B is 7. In those games also he scored 1 goal. So 29 plus 7. Okay. Let's move ahead to C. In C also he has scored 1 goal each, and there are 4 matches. So we are going to take 4 goals. Coming to D, there are 13 matches, and in 13 matches he scored 2 goals each. So that means 26 will be the total number. Okay, 26 will be the total number. After that, come to the E part. In E there are 11 games. In 11 games he scored 2 goals each. So 22 will be the total sum. And coming to the F there are 36 games. He scored 3 goals in each match. So a total of 108. Okay. So let's add them up. Let's see what do we get. So we have 29 plus 7 plus 4 plus 26 plus 22 plus 108. So the value which we have is 196, and that's going to be our answer for the question number 2. Okay. Let's move to the third question. In how many matches did A score 2 goals more than B? So 2 goals more than B, there is only F we are talking about. The value of F we know is 36. That will be our correct answer. So I hope this set is clear, guys. Thanks for watching the video.